Okay, hey guys, welcome back to videos on Codex. Right now, if you want to set up some default customized keyboard shortcuts for your Codex, what you just need to do, go to Codex extension here, click on it, and it's going to show up this. Okay, so some tags and everything you're doing, click on this icon, this setting icons, click on it, and it's going to come up with this. What you're looking for is keyboard shortcut. So hit to keyboard shortcut. So it's going to open up this new terminal. You could see that the first one, the command is Codex for new thread in Codex sidebar. So Control N is going to help you do that. To add your default shortcuts, what you need to do for this Codex add file to Codex trend, you click on add a key binding. I just want to do Control Shift. You could do escape if you are confused. Control Shift, escape again, I think. Yeah, Control Shift and the A key. You do it once. Okay, so though there are some existing command, if there are some existing command using that existing command binding this key, you could check them out. You could change that key. Okay, so we just do escape. It's going to wipe, and you could just do Control Shift, Control Alt A. All right, you could see that this key is free. That means I can use it for this. So I click on it. Okay, yeah, there was a mistake there. You could go ahead right now. I discovered that most of my shift control keys are binded. Okay, so what I need to do here, I want to use Shift and the letter A. All right, I think that's free. Once you hit on it, you hit on enter, so it's going to give you the binding key, the shortcut. Then we could go ahead to maybe change for debug. Okay, so okay, let's say debug and reset knock state. So I click on it, add. I just want to do Shift and the D key is free. You hit enter. That will be the keyboard shortcut. Let's do two more. Let's see, open Codex menu, command menu. So I want to add a binding shortcut to this. I do Shift and the C, letter C. I hit enter. So it's going to bind to that. All right, so you can do as many as possible. Okay, Codex focus. Let's add a shortcut to this. Shift and F key, focus, hit enter. So you can see, guys, that is how you're going to add a keyboard shortcut to your Codex. And while you're on Codex, when you're done with that, you could close this off. Okay, so you could open up your Codex once again and could do, let's say, Shift F and right here. So if you want to check out if what you did works out, let's say you want to create a file, you could do Control N. So you're going to see that is going to create that for us. So I think that is working rightly. So you could try it out in your project or in your Codex setup, add those keyboard shortcut to it, and it's going to work. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you right in the next video.